Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a blessed Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining me here tonight. This is your fourth stimulus package update and daily news report. Democratic lawmakers in Congress are calling for stimulus payments until the end of 2025. This is good news for millions of Americans. If you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. Earlier this summer, Democrats led by Senate Budget Committee Chairman Bernie Sanders revealed plans to pass a major reconciliation bill worth more than $3 trillion. This news came after more moderate and centrist members of both parties opted to put together an infrastructure bill focused on traditional investments in roads, bridges, and other types of physical infrastructure. This group of senators rejected President Biden's American Jobs Plan, which also included measures to help workers and increase labor protection. This past spring, the Biden administration also unveiled the American Families Plan, which included popular items like the extension of the child tax credit's current structure through the year 2025 and the establishment of a paid family leave policy. The reconciliation bill has gained great momentum over the past summer and includes many of the items from President Biden's plans that were left out of the bipartisan infrastructure package. One measure that everyone would love to see included in the reconciliation package is a fourth stimulus check. Some of the measures included in the reconciliation bill will send money directly to millions of U.S. households. The package includes funding to make the changes to the child tax credit permanent. The bill would also ensure families pay no more than 7% of their income for childcare and establish a paid federal family leave program. However, some economists worry that the ending of federal protections and programs like unemployment benefits and the eviction moratorium combined with a new surge could hinder the economic recovery.
Go ahead.
On the debt ceiling, Plan A seems to be to put this with the CR and hope Republicans blink. I think that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong. But what's Plan B if they don't? Mitch McConnell made it pretty clear they're not interested in voting for this at all.
Well, let me just say again, I'd like every single Republican senator to answer the question, are they willing to let the government default? As to the plans, we are working. There are a number of different options. The White House, Speaker Pelosi, myself are discussing those. And we believe that we must do this. We believe it's an imperative to do it. And Leader McConnell, as I said, is playing dangerous political games by not stepping up to the plate as he asked us to do, and we did when Trump was president. Yes, next.
Following up on that, are Democrats willing to go with that alone? Because as Garrett said, Senator McConnell said they stand united against.
It's hard to, well, I think that statement speaks so negatively for itself. And we believe we have to renew the debt ceiling, and we are going to move forward and get it done. And we believe it will ultimately be done in a bipartisan way. And I think the whole country, including many very conservative elements in the business and finance communities, will be appalled if we get so close to the deadline that Leader McConnell is risking the full faith and credit of the country. Yes, Bolton.
Is it even an option to add the debt limiting?
Look, again, we are discussing all of the options with the President and with Speaker Pelosi. Yes.
More than 9 million Americans filed for unemployment benefits the weeks before the programs were ended. And Goldman Sachs estimates that this year, more than 700,000 families could be evicted. According to the Eviction Lab, which is an organization dedicated to tracking evictions in the United States, more than 500,000 landlords have already filed eviction notices since March 2020. None of these states have large populations, meaning that they are overrepresented in the eviction statistics. This data comes as a U.S. Census released information showing that in the recently conducted Household Pulse survey, 35% of tenants and homeowners were way behind on their rent or mortgage. With no federal eviction ban in place and millions of Americans losing their unemployment benefits, many are looking to see if a new direct payment could be issued. Measures that did not make it into the infrastructure bill, including universal pre-K, free community college, and paid family leave, are now included in the reconciliation package. In comments made by Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, he would like to see these aspects of Biden's family and jobs plan pass through the reconciliation. Bernie Sanders, who has not been involved in the bipartisan negotiations, voiced his concerns over the lack of progressive policies, which are included in the package. In a recent interview, Bernie Sanders spoke to the disillusionment many feel towards the government, saying, "There are a lot of people in our country, working class people, who are losing faith in the ability of our government to address their needs. And what we are doing is just that." Everyone, the key word for this video is arrow. If you are interested in winning a $100 Walmart gift card, please make sure to comment below this keyword, like this video, and also please make sure that you are subscribed. Thank you so much, everyone. One measure notably absent from the reconciliation package is a fourth stimulus check. While Bernie Sanders and other lawmakers have not spoken directly about why money was not allocated for a direct payment, some evidence is buried in the proposal. Some of the measures included in the reconciliation bill will send money directly to millions of U.S. households. The package includes funding to make the changes to the child tax credit permanent. The bill would also ensure families pay no more than 7% of their income for child care and establish a paid federal family leave program. These and other components of the bill have vast public support and provide more sustainable support to families over one stimulus check payment. Last week, the House of Representatives Ways and Means Committee released new details on central pieces of the reconciliation bill. This included information on tax credits for businesses across different sectors. Some of the credits aim to assist businesses in the energy transition by encouraging an increase in production in the wind and solar energy sector. Others are aimed at helping childcare facilities across our nation that form part of the Health and Human Services Network pay their employees more by providing payroll tax credits directly to these centers. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here tonight. I greatly appreciate it. If you're interested in entering the $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to enter the keyword for this video below, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Tuesday night.